That's about the train. Or what do I need to know? Between the big man and
See what these guys got to do? And mostly what they got to do is do this for us because of those little tissues, little pieces of paper. Look, see? But they still got to do it because eventually what happens is those paper decay and they become muck up under the track, under the third rail. Yeah, just little pieces of paper. But it becomes muck. It turns into muck. Yeah. It gets damp. See that? That's all those little pieces of paper you think is irrelevant that you throw on the track. Then these guys got to come along and clean out muck. Because as soon as it get wet, what it turn into? Look, see? You got to go up under there and get all of that. It blows up under there, catch a little bit of water, and stay right up under there. That's all it is. Little piece, if you look. See that? Those little irrelevant pieces of paper you throw on a track. See? Little irrelevant. Yeah, see that? That's all that is. And it turned to muck as soon as it get wet. Yeah. You're like, oh, it's just a little piece of paper. They got big vacuums that clean that up. Yeah, if you had to clean every station that you throw little pieces of paper in, none of the station would get clean. See that? They got to go through it little by little, hand to hand. That's tedious work. The track vac can't get that. Yeah, come through and do that. So when you guys think that just that little piece of, look, I'll show you one more time. Go right along. That's yesterday paper. This is Saturday morning. That's Friday's paper. That's probably last week's paper right there. You see it turn brown? Yeah, but sooner or later it turn to muck. You didn't notice that your station smelled better this year? Yeah. Because these guys got to spend hours and hours and hours. Tedious hours. That's how come your track smelled good this year. But that's a lot of work. So use a trash can. Little pieces of paper become big problems. Big smelly problem. You see those big rats on the track too? You're doing. I'm not busting your ball because I used to do the same thing until I seen. See that? That's what they got to clean up. See that? Nice and clean. Could you please leave it that way? Yeah, they have to do that by hand though. Seriously. See that? When they leave these tracks at night for you in the morning for your commute, that's what it looks like. This is going to be a nice Saturday morning. Nah, like I asked you the question before. Did you notice that the railroad stations this year smelled better? It's a lot of work. And that's the reason why they're considering putting your fare up. That's why they're considering another fare hike. Because of that. They have to do that. And if you notice, it's those little pieces of paper that was down there. But if they leave it there, you're going to start smelling. That's the number one thing. No, just ask yourself that question. The stations did smell better this summer past. This is Gatara. Just a simple commentary.